Hi everyone and welcome back to TechSub. I am Akanksha Anil and today I'm going to take you through an easy tutorial on how you can download price lists on our website. If you're looking to know about the price list on various categories and products, stay tuned till the end of the video. Step 1. Log in and go to the products page. If you already have an account on our website, log in. If you don't, create your new account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, go to the products page on our website. Step 2. Apply the category filter. Now you want to be a little more specific with your search. Use the category filter on our website and it will show you a list of products that you can choose from. Here, you can choose the product category that you're interested in and this will make your search go even faster. Step 3. Choose download list. Now that you have selected your product category, you will notice a download list button is on your screen. Click on that and the system will start processing a price list specific to what you're looking for. That's all you need to do to sit back and relax while our system will send it to your email. Check your email and you'll receive an email from us with the price list that you requested. Download it, compare prices and choose the best products on our website. Enjoy. Until next time.